No,
Yes,
no.
no.
Yes,
10 times explained. Last semester also 10 times
yes,
explained. 20
I know all
times.
this.
20 times.
Now I will not explain this because it is very easy.
Okay.
I will start with SR flip flop. This
Okay.
is skip. Khalas.
Okay.
SR flip flop is very simple. This is again you have to connect this terminal of this probe of channel 1. It has 2 points. One is ground, one is main signal point. So ground should be connected to ground. So like this you can connect. Why should? This is ground, huh? The symbol is ground always. Here
Okay.
also ground. Here
Okay.
ground. And this symbol, this is your main signal Q.
Okay.
Clock.
Q output.
Ah, okay, okay.
Then this, the name of this circuit is set and reset flip flop. In set and reset flip flop, you have option to set this flip flop output or reset this flip flop output. Just apply logic 0 to S point. Output is set.
When it's 0.
Otherwise, just apply logic 0 to R point. Output is reset.
Okay.
Just this. Kalas.
Just that. When we give it 1, what happens?
Nothing.
Zero.
If one happen, nothing. It work on 0.
It's 1. And
It's
what,
one.
was it in
No
S?
change. No change.
It's 1.
Zero.
No change. 0 here, reset 0 here, set. Bas.
It's 1.
What important is to set up the connections. In exam, I will not set this. This will be disturbed. You have to set this.
Reset that.
Set.
Yes.
Set means properly. Otherwise, if
All
it is
up,
like
yeah.
this, you cannot see.
Yeah.
If it is like this, you cannot see.
Yeah, we will.
You have to set first
جاهزة بس زينه يعني أنت.
this jahaz.
إن شاء الله.
Inshallah.
Second.
SR khalas. Second, same way.
D flip.
D flip flop. D flip flop has one input, one clock. Okay.
Yes.
Switch clock. We are applying clock through switch.
Yes.
So this is ground. Let it be ground here. And one input A to A.
To A. And
Apply
one
clock.
from the switch
B
to the clock.
okay.
What's happened now?
This flip flop also can be set or reset.
Yes.
So suppose now we start with 1, so we need to set it. Output should be 1. Now
Yes.
output 0. So apply again logic 0 to preset. 1.
Yes.
Or you can clear all the bits like this. Clear all.
Yes.
So we apply with logic 1.
This means set and this is mean reset.
The
yes?
same thing what we did here, it is available here.
So now we have
Two flip flop in one flip flop.
Yes.
Okay, and this is a clocked flip flop. Suppose we set it, and then we apply logic 0. Whatever we set is available at the output and used and is there permanent. That means it is a memory now. When we apply new bit, 0 bit, this is not go to the memory, but this will go to the memory only after the clock pulse application.
After we
Apply clock, up down. Now the 0 go here.
Yes. It's not change, and when we give it 1, it's not change.
Not
And
change. Apply clock now. New.
when I apply a clock, it change.
But
The flip flop
the clock
used to store 1 bit.
1 bit, and it is a clocked flip-flop, so
Yes.
it needs a clock.
It's independent on the
Clock edge.
Depend on clock.
clock. We cannot
Transfer the
Clock
bits
edge.
bits
from input to output
without
clock.
Without clock, yeah.
On the clock edge.
On the clock edge or level or negative level or positive
And
level, don't care.
It has one
It work on clock.
it has one
No clock edge.
it has one input.
Another one.
No, this one has one input. Just
It has one input, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Only.
And one
Yes.
clock. Okay.
And it can be clear and it can be set.
yes, okay.
This is all about D flip flop.
JK flip flop.
We have
JK
JK
flip flop.
flop now.
The difference it has two input.
Yes.
Just this.
It has two input. So two input, what makes difference here? Two input A and B. So A and B.
So you
and-
need to clock.
It is
how-
also a clocked.
Yes.
It is also a clocked flip flop. So but clock from here. Continue clock.
Yes,
So we don't
continue,
bother
yes.
about the clock now. Now clock is coming continuously. We need not to apply clock.
It's like
Need not. It's like 1010 coming continuously.
yes.
Now we just see the output. What is output Q? Depend on the J and K. So if it is 0 0, output is for not 1 not 0. It is last state output. Before application of 0 0, whatever available here will be there. It may be 1, it may be 0. For case of 0 0. For case of suppose 1 0, output is 1. Case of 1 0, output is 1. You use white color 2-post connector. Bring one 2-post connector.
Why?
White color. Over there, over there.
Which one?
Okay, it is here.
The block here, block.
You can see the lights. This is 1, this is 0. 1 0 give you 1. 0 1 give you 0 1 give you 0.
Zero.
See now. Suppose 0 0.
1 1.
0 0 give you last state. Last state is 0 now, so it is 0.
Yes.
Suppose
One,
this
one.
is 1 0. Now
1
1 0
1.
give you 1, but if you go
One,
for
one.
0 0 again, it will
Give
give
you
you last
one.
state. 1.
It's not change.
Not change.
1
That's
1.
what. Now 1 1. 1 1 give you
Last set or 0? No, both. one.
continue.
Continue.
This should give proper result. What is not showing? DC up and down.
صوروا عشان نعرف لو بلشنا
Yeah, trigger.
نظبط.
You should need to set trigger. Trigger level this turn. Okay. 1 1 give you 1, then 0, then 1, then 0, then 1, then 0.
Very fast.
And the same point. In the same point you can see sometime 1, sometime 0. So it is changing.
Okay, it's changing here.
It's changing here,
And
but
we
you
cannot
cannot
see the buttons.
blinking because in 1 second 1000 times
So, we
or
cannot
more
see.
than that. Okay, so this is your race around condition of JK flip flop. This condition is called as race around condition, that when the both input J and K are 1, output will try to change from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1 and 0 to 1
If
and 1
it's
to 0.
J and K,
Is
1,
1.
it's the
Output try to change from 1 to 0,
very
0 to
fast.
1. 1 to 0, 0 to
Yes, and if it's change, it's 1.
If it's 1 0, it's 1. If it's 0 1, it's 0.
Yeah.
If it's 0 0, the last set. If it's 1 1, continue.
Yes.
If it 1 1 will be continue.
1 1 is changing continuously. 1 to 0 and 0 to
And
1.
if you change the J, J, it's not change until
No,
No,
nothing
no.
like that. Just J.
شوف شوف ايه صح
This is a
صفر.
case. 0 0 1 0 1 0 1.
0 1
Output 0.
0 1 it's output 0.
1 0 output 1.
Yes. 1 1
0 1
Continuous
0
changing.
1 1 and
And 0 0 lasted.
plus it, yeah.
This is very easily I explained you all things. Actually in book if you read it is